going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Just gonna go ahead and shut this door here, but we're gonna leave it open because it smells like gasoline. Alright. What am I gonna talk about?
What you're gonna do next week?
What am I gonna do tomorrow? What am I gonna do tomorrow? Alright, so I kind of done got a step ahead. Everything here, kinda. Okay. This don't need to be on the car no more. Obviously. So tomorrow, what I'm gonna be doing is we're gonna take this throttle body off right here. Okay? Let me get that light real quick. That ain't plugged in. Ain't that something? Perfect timing. Perfect timing, yo. No big deal. No big deal. Alright. So, what I'm going to do tomorrow is, I might not be able to fully do it. We'll see. Hopefully this right here stretches over the throttle body. It's going to be close. Okay, so we're going to take this throttle body off right here, okay? We're going to take it off. We're going to take this intake manifold off too. I don't know how that's going to... I think that's how it goes. Something like that. We'll figure it out. We got to take this intake manifold off, and we got a spacer to put under this. And then we got a thing to put inside of this to make the airflow go better, which is the Laminator FX. And then we have an 80mm throttle body. We have an 80mm throttle body that goes right here. It goes right here. And that should be pretty good, I would say. So yeah, I might not get the 90-degree elbow in time. It's supposed to be a little bit bigger so it'll fit on the 80mm throttle body, but hopefully we can stretch this one to fit. It's gonna be close. I don't know if it'll work, but hopefully we can figure out something to make it work. So I can test drive it down the street, see how she rolls. So we got the 80mm throttle body, we got the Laminator FX to make airflow go better through the intake manifold. Then we have an intake manifold spacer that relieves some heat off of there, gives it a little bit more cooler temps and stuff like that, you know. So yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. It's kind of the gist of it. It's pretty much what I'm going to be doing over the next couple of days. Hopefully it gets done tomorrow. Hopefully we can stretch this over to fit. Stretch it to fit, baby. Might have to port it a little bit. I know it's not recommended, but I might have to. So yeah, if y'all want to see that content, you better tune in. You better tune in the next couple days. Because I'm going to release, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 episodes. Thursday and Friday. We'll skip Sunday. Or maybe I'll do a Sunday. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, that's about it. I mean, I'll have my camera boy, JY. Have old JY right there. Look at him right there. Yeah, we'll have him. He's my cameraman now. Official cameraman. Yes! So I ain't got to have a tripod. You know what I mean? But with the tripod with these, I'm going to do a whole, time lapse. I'm going to do a whole time lapse with this. So it'll be good. It'll be Gucci. Now, we was going to do an episode with the four-wheeler. But, you don't tell them what happened?
The gas started to leak.
It started leaking out of nowhere. I've never had a problem with it before. I think someone got a freaking spike or something, stabbed it in the gas container thing. Started leaking, bro. I've never had a problem out of it before. But if y'all want to see some cool stuff coming up, stay tuned in the next couple of days, because it's going to be great, and it's going to be grand, and it's going to be awesome. Awesome. So, you gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what you want to see next and what you want to see more of. We have some good plans coming up this year. Good plans. Great plans. We got the great... Trade me spots real quick, J-Way. I just got a good background. No. Walk over here. Walk over here. Yeah, buddy. We got some great plans. We got some good ones. We got nitrous coming on the way. We got some 410 gears or 391 gears. Haven't decided yet. And we got cams to put in the car. Don't know when that'll happen. They're sitting in on the shelf inside the house. I just got to make it happen. Take that sucker puppy apart or get a new engine. I want to get a new engine. But we'll see. We'll see. Wouldn't it be cool to have like an engine just hanging over there or over there? That'd be sick, bro. Sick nasty, man. So, again, stay tuned for the next couple days because it's going to be nice. Just saying. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.